So this is the first video I'm making, so excuse any quality issues I'm still having, but I wanted to show you the book I made. So let's start. It's steampunk themed and a hardcover. So on the top there's a distressed clock with some green patina. On the spine there are some ridges. Oh, the lighting is bad. And then there's the back. So it has a closure on the side, some old linen, and when you open the book, so on the front there's some Tim Holtz papers, and here's the first signature. I have a collage here with some old linen and some old paper. It's all stitched on. Then we have the first pocket. Here's a postcard that's from my digital kit in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. Some images I found on the internet and a scrap piece of paper. All the papers are coffee dyed. In this book there's lots and lots of pages, I think over 200 pages. Here's a digital stamp. Here's some old dictionary paper and old book pages. Another image from my digital kit. Some more papers. As you can see, I have lots of pages. Here's some 6x6 pages, some lined papers, another digital image, camera. I love the distressing on all these pages. Another book page. I thought it fit the theme of steampunk quite well. Parachute. Another big pocket with some images, tags from my digital kit, old patented drawings. Here's another collage with some tickets and old muslin. Oh no, this is cheesecloth. Digital stamping. An old clock. It's a tab and a tuck spot in one. Stamp, another stamp, some ephemera pieces. Most of the pieces I attached with paper clips, so I didn't want to sew them in. Maybe you want to move them if you want to buy this book. Stamping. Here's a tuck spot with some old music paper. All the papers are Tim Holtz. The signature are bound in Tim Holtz papers. Here's another pocket. Some stamping. Another postcard. Stamping. an old photograph, another collage, stamping that's wrapped around the page. You can lift it and journal on the back. Another photograph, another tuck spot and tab in one. Stamping and another tag. Another collage. Here's a calendar, a perpetual calendar, so you can write down your date. Some postcards I found on the internet. Another tag from the kit. Another pattern paper, another photograph from the kit. Some stamping. Another pattern drawing from the kit. Another stamp. A 4x6 card. A bit of bigger drawing. And another postcard from the kit. Another collage with a ticket and some music paper and old fabric. Another picture. Stamping. Another tuck spot and tab. Another tag. Another tag with a telephone, an old telephone on it. Another postcard. And the back. And the back there's the same paper as the front. And that closes the book. So this book has over 200 pages. And you can buy it in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. And thank you for watching. Bye!